It's from
I'll give it a try.
On the front, come on.
What I'm trying to do
Then to exit this mode, we'll do the same
is
thing.
to electrify this strip of LEDs.
It does one more move off of.
And to do that, I gotta trim into here and solder on some connections. I've got a set of Radio Shack LED, jumper cables, and I'm gonna trim these. I'm gonna use these as my leads. Dude, gypsies. Not the best way to do it, but it's somewhere there I have the proper tool for doing it, but I don't know where that is. Well, so just before I set up the camera, I went and tried doing it with this roll of electrical wire, but I forgot I don't have the flux for it, so had to hunt around, and while I was hunting around, oh yeah, that's right, I got that little camera to try out, so let's try it out. Did I mention I'm blind as a bat, it seems like some days? So what I've just achieved there is called tinning, and I've tinned the ends of these. I'm going to trim them down, and then I'm going to tin the end here, and I can solder these to it. So now it's time to break out the big guns. I've got the soldering clamp here, and I'm going to finally make use of it. See how the best way to position this is. Yeah, it works. It works. Mighty bright, and they work. So that's going to be my tail light for my boat.